Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be explaining how to set up the WealthFlow Tinga Beast basic bot. First thing you need to do is in your browser, head over to wealthflow.pro and log in. All right, now I'm on my dashboard, and right here, you can see that I have the Tinga Beast basic bot active. I believe you already do, but if you don't, head over to products to make a purchase. Right, so you add it to your cart. This is the Tinga basic board. Add it to your cart right here and proceed to checkout. So you can either make payment using your debit card or credit card or pay using crypto. And once you're done, it will be active on your bot's dashboard. So let's head back to our bot's dashboard. Great. Now right here, you can see different buttons. One is to view the bots. Another is to download all the files and show details. Yeah, right here, you can download the EA file. You can copy your license key and download the guide of setting up the bots. All right, so before setting it up, let's actually view the Tinga basic bots. Great. So what actually is the Tinga Beast basic bots? It's a session-based trading bots built for aggressively growing your trading account. So when setting it up, you can set it from targets between 50% up to 1000%. And to understand what session-based trading is, it means that you have to break your funds and deploy them separately. So you could break your funds into 5 and deploy them per session. And each session can have different targets based on your preference. We've basically broken those sessions into 2. One is the easy mode and the other is the flip mode. The easy mode is between 10% to 50% target per session, while the flip mode is from 100% to 1000+% per session. Right, and the hit rate of the sessions are high. Usually 80 to 90% for the easy mode and 40 to 70% for the flip mode. If you continue scrolling down, you get to see more information about the Tinga Beast basic bots. And if you keep scrolling down, you also see the explanation video of the Tinga basic bots. Then you see some of our track records of the Tinga Beast bots. Right here, we have a 5-day results. A deposit of $500 grew by 250% and got to a profit of $1,752. We also have order track records. This was a 48 hours result of a $3,000 hitting 110% in profits. We also have a 24 hours result of $10,000, hitting almost $1,000 in profit. This was an insane growth. Yeah, and we have other performances as well. Then right here, you see some of our recommended brokers. For the Tinga Beast, we recommend raw spread accounts, and the brokers here provide those kind of accounts. Yes, so if you don't have a broker yet, you can sign up with one of these URLs here to get a raw spread account. Great. Now let's head back to setting up the Tinga Beast bot. Now back in my dashboard, I am going to download all files. Oh, great. Now it's downloaded. Let me open my downloads folder and extract it. Awesome, and I have the Tinga Beast basic bot extracted. If I open up the folder, I'll see the file and then I'll see the setup guide. So let's open the setup guide to get the directions of setting up the bot. Great. All right, so the first thing I need to do is step 1, download your files, which we've done. Step 2, extract and copy your files into your VPS. All right, let me open up my VPS. I'll be opening up the Tinga Beast basic VPS. Okay. And then we have to copy those files into the VPS. All right, so I think the only thing I need is the bot file. I can copy it and paste. Awesome. All right, now let's go to the next step. Install MetaTrader 5 inside of your VPS. All right, to do this, you have to log into your broker and download the MT5 installation file for whatever operating system you're using. So right in my browser, I'm logged into Ultima Markets, and I'll be downloading MetaTrader 5 for Windows. All right, it's downloaded now. Head over to my downloads folder and copy it. Paste it into the VPS. Awesome. All right, now we have to install it inside of the VPS and log in using our trading account credentials. Let's install it. Next. Okay, so the next step is to log in using our trading credentials. For this illustration, I'll be using a demo account, which I created with the Ultima Markets broker. All right, so I'll go back to my browser and head over to my email where I got the login details of the account and copy it. Okay, now copy the password as well. And log in. Awesome. Now I'm logged in. So let's go back to the setup guide. All right, step 4, enable algorithmic trading. So you have to go to Tools, Options, Experts Advisors. Right at the top, click Tools Options, click on Experts. Tick Allow Algorithmic Trading, allow DL imports, and allow web requests. Then scroll down and add this URL. Copy it. Add it to the web request URL and click OK. Now let's go to the next step. Add the EX5 file to your data folder. So right here, you go to File, open Data Folder, go to your desktop and copy the Tinga Beast file. Then go back, go into your MQL5 folder, into your exports, and paste. Then exit. You could either restart the MT5 terminal, or right here, right-click and refresh. If I open it, you will see that I have the Wealthflow Tinga Beast basic bot file here. Now let's delete all these terminals because we don't have any use for them. Then we can also clear up our symbol list, hide all, then add the gold pair, XAUUSD. Tinga Beast trades gold only at the moment. click and drag XAUUSD to the terminal to display the chart there. Now let's go back to our setup guide. All right, the next step is to attach the Tinga Beast EA to XAUUSD. Okay, same way like we did for the chats. You click and hold the EA and drag it to the chat there. Now what I will do is I will expand this dialog box and click on Inputs. Okay. Now back in my setup guide. The next step is to activate our license key and confirm our session settings. All right, to do that, I'll head over to my dashboard and copy my license key and paste it here. Okay, then I will have to set my session target. So you can set your session target based on the percentage of your starting balance. So if you are looking to make 100% or 500% of your starting balance, you can set it here. All right, so you can change this based on your preference. The maximum for this is 1000%. Or you can set a value amount. So if you are looking to make $1,000 or $100,000, you set it here. And we have a feature that allows you continue even if your session target has been hit. You can leave this at false, but if you set it to true, it will just keep trading. It will reset once your session target is hit and restart. Okay, for the risk settings, leave them the way they are. Don't touch any setting here. Then leave the engine settings as they are as well. Leave the news filter as it is. If you wish, you can change your trade comment. And that's all. Once you're done with your settings, click OK. And there the Tinga Beast basic file has been connected to the gold chart. All right, let's go back to our setup guide to see if we missed anything. Okay, so it says here the EA should now start trading, and you can see that it already opened some orders here. Now let's go back here. You can see this tells you what to change after loading a set file or after loading the bots. All you need to do is change your license key and your session targets. And this also explains how the session target works, which I already did previously. It works either by percentage or by dollar amount. And that's it. That's how to set up the Tinga Beast Basic on your trading account.